The unique 7000 series from Alfa Laval is an extremely reliable and efficient single-seat valve for stopping or diverting product flow. The unique 7000 series single-seat valve from Alfa Laval is designed with safety, hygiene and user flexibility in mind. The valves can be configured to the exact features needed for your specific application. In the standard offering, the valve comes with a minimum maintainable actuator, but a maintainable version is available as an option. This maintenance video is based on the standard configuration of a shut-off valve. For maintenance of the unique 7000 with elastomer plug, please refer to the manual or to the unique SSV maintenance video. Read the enclosed manual carefully before servicing the valve. Always be careful not to damage product-wetted parts, and during service, always place dismantled parts on a clean surface. Tools. The tools shown here are those required for doing maintenance on the unique SSV valve. Spanner size 10 for the clamp. Spanner size 17 for the plug. Spanner size 17 for counterholding the actuator stem. Spanner size 27 for the actuator bushings. A small screwdriver for removing the plug seal and releasing the air behind the plug seal. Lubrication, Paraleak GTE 703, EPDM suitable or similar lubricant, USDA H1. Rubber mallet for the composite bushing tool. TR2 seat only, utility knife and seat assembly tool. The dismantling of a standard shut-off valve is to be undertaken in the following way. Supply compressed air to the actuator, in the case of maintaining a normally closed actuator, to release the preload. Loosen and remove the clamp. Release the compressed air. Lift away the actuator, yoke and the valve plug. Unscrew and remove the valve plug and separate the bonnet from the plug. Remove the O-ring and lip seal in the bonnet. Remove the O-ring and lip seal in the bonnet. If necessary, take out the composite bushing carefully, using a rubber mallet with the composite bushing tool. Empty the bag with the service kit and check the content is correct. Please note that the bushing is not included in the service kit. Refer to the manual before reassembling the valve. Pay special attention to the cautions and warnings. Replace the bushing, if necessary, and the double-working acting lip seal and O-ring for the bonnet. Place the composite bushing in the bonnet so that it snaps into position. Place the bonnet on the valve body for a firm support. Use the composite bushing tool together with the rubber mallet and gently tap it into position. Mounted correctly, the composite bushing should stick out approximately 1 mm on the other side. Place the lip seal. Carefully place the lubricated O-ring by pulling it gently into position. Do not roll or twist it. Lubricate the lip seal with Paraleak grease. Ensure that the seals are placed correctly. Place the plug element on a firm support. We suggest a piece of wood with a hole drilled through it. Using a utility knife, partially and carefully cut through the upper ring portion of the TR2 plug, avoiding contact with the stainless steel stem. Force apart both cut ends of the plug for removal from the stem. TR2 plugs are installed by applying uniform pressure on all sides. Pressure can be applied by using the seat assembly tool. Using a piece of metal and a rubber mallet, place a precise tap to make the TR2 plug snap onto the stem. Reverse the tool and tap again to secure a proper fit. Examine the seat assembly to be sure that the TR2 plug is properly mounted. Holding the seat assembly in one hand, rotate the TR2 plug. For proper SIP cleaning, the TR2 plug should turn freely on the stem. Place the bonnet on the plug. Place and tighten the valve plug, using two size 17 spanners for counterholding. Place the unit into the valve body. If normally closed, please supply compressed air. Place and tighten the clamp. Release the compressed air to the actuator in the case of a normally closed actuator. Activate the valve a couple of times to ensure correct functionality. Unscrew the actuator bushings using a size 27 spanner. Remove both actuator bushings with the O-rings. Place inner and outer O-rings in both actuator bushings. Remember to lubricate the O-rings and the track in the bushing with Molykote Long-Term 2 Plus or similar before inserting in the bushing. Place the actuator bushings with the O-rings and tighten using the spanner size 27. Take care not to tighten the composite bushing too hard. Activate the actuator a couple of times to ensure correct functionality.